backing out of the driveway in the Hondeezy. It's been doing good. Nope, sorry guys. We just left the shop, loaded up the Honda with chemicals and stuff back here, towels, you know, the whole shebang. We stopped to get some gas station pizza and a Slim Jim, a little snack to just power us through the meet. So I guess, is this our first mukbang? Little bit of a rough start getting everything set up, a little windy today, but still early. Let's show you who has pulled up so far. All right, so Adam slabbed up, got chemicals set up, board set up, the Chaser pulled up. Hey, Chaser, Chase, Chaser, Chase, hello. And we got the hey, whoa, and we got the okay, yeah, this thing's getting a whole montage because dream car, wide body cat, Jay, love it. You got the Mustang, Celica, Honda boys, you got the Bubba truck. Hell yeah, brother. Still early. I want to go look at the C8. So this guy was at the Choctaw meet. I actually really like the doors on this car. I'm not a big fan of doors like this, but something about the way that it just fits on this car is actually really, really cool. Like it looks like it belongs on here, you know? Like especially like red bag, got the red guts. I love it. Autos always pulls up. Shout out the boys, bro. God, I love this truck. Whoa, look at this guy's hat. He's got Dapper Details hat. We're gonna walk around, see what all is here, because I haven't even had the chance to. I've been at the table the whole time. What up, boy?
What's going on? What's going on?
Shout out Marcus.
Yes, sir.
Always pulls up. All right, let's get our walkthrough going on. Bike boys and girls always pull up deep. Shout out. We got Marcus right here in the vet. I know you've already seen over there. We got the Acura boys. They pulled up. Hey. God, the back of a vet. I mean, I know. Oh, there it goes, focused. I know Mustang guys love seeing those tail lights. Anyway, let's keep going. Ken and the BM wagon. Got them. I gotta catch back up, chat. What, bro?
He said it.
All right, I had to talk to somebody. They left me. I gotta go find them. Oh, okay, I found them. Let's go. We got a couple guys tucked away back here. Oh, there's that GTO, guys. That's the GTO that pulled up to Choctaw. So he was in last vlog. I believe it's the same guy, dude, if I'm not mistaken. You got the old Ford parked up next to her. That looks good. Hold up. They all pulled up, dude. Shout out. But I gotta get this VQ in the, gotta get this VQ in here because I love my VQs. I'm coming. Somebody pulled up in a Rover. Got a GTI. Oh shit, my bad, chat. GTI. Got a little Mazda. Wide body Hemi. A little Mustang. We got the old Civic. This is the guy who was doing his headers at the meet. Super cool. Miata. Skylar in the wagon. Gang pulled up. Got a couple Hondas over here. Oh, hold up, boys. Hold up. I almost missed it. Active Auto. Let's go, bro. They always pull up deep, bro. Love the cow hood on this one right here. Dude, oh my God. You know, somebody called me out and was like, bro, you're always saying, oh, I'm gonna get this, I'm gonna get that. And look, I keep saying that because eventually, one day, I will have one of these trucks. And it's gonna be hot, bro. I'm excited and I'm ready. Got a little scat right here. Back to this. I love them, bro. Hell yeah. What up, bro? I love this thing right here. This was hard. This Altima right here has a Nightshift sticker. Shout out to the Altima. Oh wow, the wing on this is almost as tall as me. That's not saying much. I'm pretty short, but it's almost as tall as me. Next to a Stang, a little 5.0 action. I'll turn back around so I can get the front of what I showed you earlier. That's the wide body Hemi. Honda's still doing good. Shout out Chase for the old jump box so we can get her started. Shout out to the homies helping me pick up trash, de-escalate situation. It was a good night, bro. So that being said, Noggin.
We just left the meet. We're hitting a McDonald's right now for
We hungry.
because we have not eaten nothing since that Slim Jim and little slice of gas station pizza.
Bro. We get off work and go straight to the meet, hauling ass, trying to get there on time. So we haven't eaten, so we're starving.
We've gotten a couple hits on the Honda. Tomorrow we're going to Yellow Belly for Midnight Mass with Salem Knights and Drop of Gear. Super excited for that. We've been telling everyone we know about that, handing out the little flyers for it.